Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Today, we're diving into the art of setting goals. In this video, we'll explore why setting goals is crucial and how to do it effectively. First, let's talk about the importance of goals. Goals give you direction and purpose, helping you stay focused and motivated. In fact, studies show that people who set goals are 10 times more likely to achieve them. Next, it's essential to understand the different types of goals. Short-term goals serve as stepping stones to your long-term vision, while SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, ensure that your objectives are clear and attainable. So how do you set effective goals? Start by reflecting on your values. Think about what truly matters to you. Once you have that clarity, write your goals down. Putting pen to paper makes your goals tangible and real. Then, create an action plan by breaking your goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can tackle one step at a time. Staying accountable is also vital in the goal-setting process. Share your goals with a friend or join a group to keep yourself accountable. Regularly track your progress and review your goals, adjusting them as needed to stay on course. Remember, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your goals in the comments below.